Happy Friday, everyone. Well, after dealing with cold conditions and some freezing rain yesterday, two bits of good news today. One, it's going to be completely dry, and two, we are warming up now. We're not going to warm up a lot, but temperatures are going the right direction. We'll be a little bit warmer than yesterday. Here's how high temperatures are going to break down. We're looking at highs in the upper 30s to low 40s across the area, and this is actually right where we should be for early December. Very reasonable temperatures. Look for decreasing cloud cover as we go through the day. So starting out cloudy, but eventually skies will become partly cloudy. Going to take a little bit longer to the north and east versus the south and west. We're watching that area of low pressure that brought us all the precipitation yesterday get farther and farther away from us. It's moving off to the east, so those in the most northeastern part of the area will see the clouds break up last versus folks to the south and west. Another thing that's going to help today, there's not going to be too much wind, just a light breeze this afternoon, gusts around 15 miles per hour. Evening hours look completely dry and partly cloudy, but I do think the cloud cover is going to thicken up late tonight. We'll see skies become mostly cloudy. I'm not going to rule out late tonight, after midnight, a few snow flurries popping up. I don't think everyone will see it, but I do need to mention the chance. We're going to get a little weak area of low pressure to work over us, and it might trigger a few snow flurries very late tonight. So that is a possibility, but I don't think that's going to happen during the evening hours. As far as low temperatures go, I think low to mid 20s are going to be most common. Maybe a few getting into the upper teens, and maybe a few, especially in the southern part of the area, only cooling down into the upper 20s. I'm still going to leave in the chance for some snow flurries during the morning on Saturday, especially early in the morning. The earlier in the morning, the more likely it is. You'll see a few flakes of snow, but I think really that's all it's going to be. And we'll start out with mostly cloudy skies, but then skies will become partly cloudy in the afternoon. And notice even warmer still for tomorrow. We're talking about high temperatures, low, mid, maybe even some upper 40s as we get into the southern part of the area. Saturday night, again, Saturday afternoon is going to be dry. Saturday night is looking dry, and I think the cloud cover will continue to decrease, just looking at mostly clear skies for Saturday night. And because skies are going to be mostly clear and winds are going to be light, we're talking about winds only around 5 miles per hour at the most. Yeah, that's going to allow us to cool down into the mid to upper teens, just a touch below normal for this time of year. Finally, this brings us to Sunday, and though we're going to start colder early Sunday morning, I do think we'll end up being just a touch warmer still for Sunday afternoon. Notice even more getting into the upper 40s, and I'm not going to rule out highs hitting around 50 degrees in Beatrice and Hebron. And once again, not too much wind, just a light breeze in the afternoon, gusts around 15 miles per hour with mostly sunny skies.